Hi there, students. A shuttle. Okay, a shuttle. Let's look at the origin of this word to start with. When you make cloth, when you make textile, normally you have a frame and there's strings going up. And then you have a piece of wood that goes from side to side, carrying the sideways threads, and that is a shuttle. Yes, it's a piece of wood or a device that carries the thread that goes across the cloth, backwards and forwards across the cloth, and that is a shuttle. Okay, so a shuttle is linked to weaving. It's the tool that goes between the warp threads on a loom. It goes backwards and forwards. But then this word has been extended to other things. The shuttle for making cloth has been around, or that word's been around for maybe 600 years or more. But they then started to extend this to passenger trains. So a passenger train that goes backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards to the same place. Or an aircraft that goes backwards and forwards to a place. Or even a spacecraft. So a space shuttle. Also the game badminton. You don't use a ball, you use a thing called a shuttlecock, and this is hit backwards and forwards to the people playing badminton. Okay, so a shuttle, it originally talks about something that is going backwards and forwards between two places. But this then has grown, and it's very often used for a short distance transport. So very often the airport shuttle, this is very, very common. A bus that or a train that goes to the airport and comes back, and goes to the airport and comes back, or a rail service. Very often, when there is a problem with the railway and there's a replacement bus service between 2 points, this is called a shuttle. So the train doesn't run the full length of the line, it runs to here, and then there's a shuttle which takes you on to the next place. So nowadays a shuttle is to transport by means of a shuttle service. Guests can be shuttled from the railway station or from the airport at no extra cost. Okay, so this shuttle, it's a regular travel backwards and forwards over an established route by a vehicle. So a shuttle bus, a shuttle train, a space shuttle, an aircraft, or I'm thinking Le Shuttle is, I think, the name of the train that goes from London to Paris. Okay, so you could take a weekend using the shuttle between London and Paris. You go on the train. So this is it's travelling or going backwards and forwards. Business people shuttling between European capitals. Okay, so to transport, they shuttled the astronauts up to the space station. You even have shuttle diplomacy, where you have a negotiator who goes from country to country, negotiating with different people. This is your shuttle. To shuttle from one place to another, to move from one person or one group to the next and then to the next. Okay, so a shuttle. You take the shuttle to get the airport. To get across town, you take the shuttle which takes you to the central railway station. A vehicle, an aircraft, a spacecraft that regularly travels between two places or regularly goes along a route. But notice originally it's for making textiles. You have your loom, this wooden frame, and then you have your, I think it's the weft, or going down, or is that the warp? And then you have the shuttle going sideways, backwards and forwards. You can also actually, you have a shuttle in a sewing machine that is something that carries the thread in the lower one as well. But a shuttle, a public conveyance, a train, an aeroplane, a bus that goes from place to place at regular intervals on a particular route, particularly a short route, or one that connects to different transportation systems. I think connection of systems is very, very common as well. So I think shuttle, I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you can use it anywhere. Then let's see, shuttle. As to origin, okay, there's a Middle English word, shuttle or shottel, a bar or a bolt. And this is the thing in your loom going backwards and forwards. So, shuttle.